Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can reapply for your PIN after the first PIN has been mailed to you. So just in case, Google AdSense usually mailed you your PIN once you get to $10 threshold on your account. So as soon as you get to $10, you make the sum of $10 in your AdSense. Your PIN is mailed to you, and then when you get to $100 threshold, you can make your first withdrawal. So just in case you apply for your PIN or your first PIN mailed to you and you didn't get it, so I'm going to show you guys how you can reapply for your PIN. So the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Google AdSense account. So I already have mine on my desktop, so I'm just going to click it. So all you need to do is to log into your AdSense. When you log into your AdSense, on the home page, you're going to see where they wrote verify. Just scroll down, you will see verify. You only have verify here when you have reached the $10 threshold and when your first PIN has been mailed to you. If you don't have the verify button, meaning that you've not gotten your $10 threshold and your first PIN has not yet been mailed to you. So if you have gotten to this stage, all you need to do is to click on the verify button. Then if you have your PIN, all you need to do is to insert your PIN there, or if you don't have, you click on the resend button on the resend PIN. So it will tell you a duplicate PIN will be sent to you to your billing address. If the original PIN gets to you first, you can verify using that one. So after you've clicked send PIN, it will tell you that a duplicate PIN will be sent to you in 3 to 6 days. If your original PIN gets to you first, you can also use that because all the PIN are a duplicate of the original PIN. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.